It's the pink tree for me. It's the pink tree for me. It's the pink tree. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. I am the Jersey Girl for Life. If you're new here, welcome. Hey, what's going on? I hope you stick around. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell so that you'll know when I upload next. This video today for all of my subbies that have been rocking with me for a while. You know, last year when I did Vlogmas, I did not want to take down my tree that was in here, which is the smaller one of the two on top of my storage bin here. So my girlfriend here on the YT suggested, why don't you just leave it up and put, you know, different things on it. So I had been looking for like purses and shoes, little shopping type of things to put on it. I ended up just doing it pink for all year long because my office is pink, gold, and white. And so I wanted a larger one. Okay, FYI, yes, Christmas is about, we still have just about, 2 months, but this tree is not coming down that you see behind me. It's going to be permanent in here, and I will switch it out with different things. So back there, you will see that I decorated it with some of my purse charms, my pom-poms, different keychains, and I will swap it out throughout the year, but it's going to stay pink and it's going to stay blingy. I may change the top from time to time, but you will be seeing this pink little beauty all the time whenever I film over here. Here's another cute little tree. I didn't even do my nails today because I was like, I have to get this tree done. We are going on a 5-day vacay. And I wanted, when I walk back in here, that this is already up and I don't have to worry about it. I was excited. I found it while my family was in town. I was like, I got to get it done. So, all right. Anyway. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love pink. And I'm so happy to have this. And it just makes my heart smile. I've just been in here. So now, you know, it just makes me want to like rearrange some things in the office and all that. But anyway, if you're interested in seeing me when I picked up the tree, when I opened the tree and how it got like that, then girl, stick around. Okay, y'all, I am in here to find my infamous pink tree. Had to come to a different location. And look, can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? OMG, there she is. I'm going to pick her up. Just looking, and I only see one right here, y'all. All these trees, I'm thinking they had a bunch of them. Okay, so you guys know this is where my cafe is here. I have jewelry back there, ATM machine and stuff like that. I'm thinking clearing this off and putting the tree up high and let it go all the way up. It is 6 feet. I don't know how it's going to look, but I just want to make that whole back area all pink. There's the other tree, other tree. And then I want to put pink bags at the bottom of the tree. What y'all think? Okay, so let's get all of this cleared off, and then we're going to start putting the tree together. There she is. Look how pretty, guys. I can't wait to put this up. Just look how vibrant and pink. Just imagine her back there against my gold and white curtains. This is gonna be so gorgeous. I was gonna change my curtains. I've had them 2 years, but I love it. So I'm leaving them, and they go well with the pink, white, and gold theme in here. So that's what we're doing. We're leaving them. I'm leaving my pink. I'm gonna make some covers for the front of these so you won't see what's in them. I'm going to make them really pretty. I love to do things myself, and then I'm going to also bling out the top of them as well. So I have some things that I'll be working on. Your girl gonna be super busy over here. All right, let's get it put up. Okay, so I got a lot of stuff cleared off. Now I'm going to clean the dust down Wipe it all the way off because you need to do that. Believe it or not, it collects dust for sure. And I'm going to end up vacuuming, so I don't care about the stuff that's going over there. Got to put my fan up. I'm going to move my water. The water is to fill up the reservoir in my Keurig machine, but we're going to leave that there. I'm not going to move my cafe because it is just a part of, especially now that the fall and winter is here. Well, the fall is here, but winter is coming, you know. Y'all get what I mean. So we're going to wipe everything down. I'm going to lift that up, get that all cleaned off. I'm going to get a tree skirt as well to go there. This covers my coffee. Look at that. It was some dirt on there. So let me get this wiped down as well, so everything is nice and pretty, and I'll be back. Because do you think it's too tall to leave? See, look where the tip is. See, the ceiling is very vaulted in here. I don't know how much of it y'all will see. You're not going to see the top if I put it up there. So far, so good. Okay, guys, see how far I've come? Still working on it. It looks really good. Look how vibrant it is. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm excited. Okay, I'm going to put this on there, because I'm going to do kind of like a bling tree. And then I'm throwing some of these on there. And then I will see what else I need, but I have to at least get something up there to see, you know, how it's looking. I am tired, guys. I'm so sorry. I have to lay down. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video of me decorating my pink tree for my beauty room / office. Let me know if you plan on doing something for your diva den, for your beauty room, for your office, whatever you call it, for your very own space. Have fun making it your own, ladies. It's so many options, so many things you can do with it. And take some of your pom-poms and your your purse charms and things of that nature, and just rock out. Anyway, I am tired. I'm about to hit the road, but yeah, you guys be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today, and y'all know it's never goodbye. I'll see y'all later.
Jesus talking now. I know you heard that. Take a second look and you gon' replay all of that. What you here for? I guess to praise the Lord. Body dropping every day, he paved the way for us. Body on the cross, he gave his soul for us. He let the ghost leave his body to be here for us. What you talking about? You should shut your mouth. Be quiet. With Jesus talking in your ear, you should hear him out. Just hear. He came to save your soul. He came to make you whole.